Hellcat.
Grandpa, what you do?
What you mean what I doing? You know, see I reading my Bible and this here's pill.
Grandpa, no peel a tablet.
Pill or tablet is the same thing.
Alright, Grandpa, you can tell me another story.
No, sir, later I do that. I can't deal with that now. I reading my Bible.
Grandpa, I not even have nothing to do.
I can't take for seem sad, you know. Alright, come and make me come and make I hear one little story. You come sit down.
Yay!
Yeah, alright, make I see if I remember how this one I go. Alright. Once upon a time, black man, white man, and Chinese man. The three of them, how it did go again. I get whole, I can't remember it. Oh yes. So anyways, the king was very bored. So him sent for black man, white man, and Chinese man. Alright, so the king have a pool. The pool filled with one bag of poisonous snake, crocodile, and shark. So the king said, whoever can cross the pool and done dead, them will get anything them hearts desire. So white man him first volunteer figure. When white man go so and jump off in the water, you know them white people and them love them reasoning. So white man gone in the water with one bag of reasoning. And the last reasoning that him walling up, him no live for reason another day. Then Chinese man him jump in. You know them Chinese people and them karate and them kung fu. When him jump in and him go so higher, wire, me say the first shark bite him go, oh! Him dead to him kung fu couldn't save him. So black man him dead they a laugh off at them, you know, cause black man I say no sir. Them man ya somebody must train them for fool. Them not just get up one day and say them a turn fool, so them are some professional idiot, you know. Anyways, somebody push off black man in the water. When black man hit the water and the snake go so off a black man and black man go so and put down a piece of swimming and come out on the next end. When black man come out on the next end, black man stay so him can't catch him breath. So the king say, black man, you want my riches? Black man say no. Then the king say, black man, you want the palace and some whole heap of gold? Black man say no. Then black man go say, the king said to black man, you want married my daughter? Black man say no. So the king said to black man, is what you want? Black man say, all I want is that grass cat boy who pushed me off.